Hi, this is Dr. Jeff Grover, Chief Research Scientist at Grover Group Incorporated, and welcome to this lesson on the range function. What we'll cover here is a little bit about my system, iterating over a sequence of numbers, iterating over a function list, break and continue statements, and else clauses on loops, creating and calling a range function. We'll use, as an example, Mary had a little lamb. We'll create a function. We'll create and call a range function from another location, or this range function. We'll do a function call. We'll do a Fibonacci series. We'll create a function. I'll show you how I've written it in .py. We'll do a function call. So that's basically the overview. And what I'm going to do, instead of going through each block and invoking it, I'm just going to invoke a run all. And then we'll just walk through it. Okay, so system information's here. 32-bit I'm running. System information there, 3.6.2 final. So here we're iterating over a sequence of numbers. So for I in range 5, print I. So we'll go from 0 to 4. Next we'll iterate over a function list. So the list range 5. And so we'll have a list from 0 to 4. We'll do break and continue statements and else clauses on loops. We'll do a Fibonacci series. This is our code for that. And this is going to be a function. We've written a function here. And this is our call. And we'll use 100 for n. And so these are the results here. I list from 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, and 89. So that's our Fibonacci series. Fibonacci in another coding process. We call 2000, so we begin with 0 and iterate up to 1597. Next set of code, we'll do a range from 2 to 10. We'll check to see if the number is even. If it's even, then there's a certain result. If it's not, there's another result. So these are results. So found in even number 2, found on number 3, but our even numbers are 2, 4, 6, and 8, and then the odds are 3, 5, 7, and 9. So then we'll create and call a range function. We'll use Mary had a little lamb. A equals Mary had a little lamb. That's shown there. For I in range lens A, we'll print I in A sub I. And we'll notice on the left side is the len, and on the right side is the A. So Mary had a little lamb, 0 to 4. So now we're going to create a function. Mary had a little lamb, and we're going to print that function. And this is what we come up with, same thing as above, except it terminates with a none. So creating and calling a range function from another location. So this is the code that we'll call from, and this is kind of where I have it loaded on my system. It's in the same directory as the Jupyter Notebook that I'm using. And this is the Fibonacci series function that I've written. So we'll do the function call, And so from Mary had a little lamb 1, import Mary had a little lamb 1. Print that, and this is what we get, same as above. Fibonacci series. This is the function we created. I just showed that to you here. So we call it, and we get 0 to 1597 in that appropriate series. And then we did a function call, and same as above. This is the reference I used for this presentation. All right, so I hope that helped you out with the range function, doing function calls, and it's really simple. And that's all I have for this presentation. Have a great day. Thank you.